So, I'll be filming using my iPhone 14 Pro to explain yung new accessories that I got for my Osmo Pocket 3. So, sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, I've been receiving random messages because of this camera. So, nabili ko siya sa Hong Kong for around 29K. So, kinuha yung creator combo just because I feel like I can buy a cheaper microphone and yun lang yung budget ko because I sold my old camera which is the which is the Sony CV-1F. So, if katulad ko kayo na hindi kayo kumuha ng creator combo ng Osmo Pocket 3, this is very useful. So, nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok and I got this from Shopee. So, lagay ko lang yung link sa my description box. Yeah, sa description box below. So, this is very useful. I will show you how it works. So, basically, lagay mo lang siya sa ilalim. And then, yan, para na siyang mini tripod. Nakakatawa kasi ang daming accessories for Osmo Pocket 3 available in Shopee na ang mura lang. This one is from Sunny, ano ba to? Sunny Life? Yeah. Okay. So, I will show you kung paano siya ilagay kasi I'm using my other hand to film. Kaya medyo hassle. Lang yung camera. Sadang. And then, parang baliktad pa ako. Nakakahiya. Sadang. And then, close it. Sadang. Protected na yung screen. Yan. So, ano to? Magkano ko ba siya nabili? Parang wala pa atang 500 pesos. Pareho to, wala pang, di pa abot ng 500 pesos. So, I'll be buying more accessories for this camera since I'm obsessed. And, ayun, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang dami talagang available, affordable accessories for this camera available on Shopee. So, next time I'm planning to buy the Booyah microphone. It's a cheaper alternative for the DJI and I'm sure hindi sila pareho ng quality for sure, pero plan ko yun i-review. I-review dito sa channel na to because parang ang interesting lang niya. And that's it for this video. Gusto ko lang i-share itong mini haul ko for my new camera. So there.